There's only one rule in this fucking jungle. When the lion's hungry, he eats.
Straight from the underworld, coming for the underworld.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back with another video for you guys. Sorry, it's been a minute. That's just life sometimes. We're gonna get back on the grind though. So what I wanted to do today, just a super simple way to look at fat loss or putting on the gains, right? So I just wanted to do a simple breakdown on how somebody should look at it. Like if you're like a newbie, got no clue what you're doing, or like you've done too much research and you're like super confused, because it seems like that's how it is nowadays. Everyone's like, oh, carbs, protein, oh, you gotta do keto, you gotta do this and that. So super simple breakdown. You science guys, leave me the crap alone. You know, this is just a super simple breakdown to help somebody who is just tired of overthinking everything. So what I want y'all see the whiteboard. We're here now. We're game. All right. So look, I want you to think of your body like a car, right? This beautiful car that I'm about to draw here. Ready? That is just freaking beautiful. Come on now. Little window action with some doors on that thing. Okay, so that's your body, right? So think of it like this, right? So you got a car, right? How do you get the car to go, right? You got to have gas. Got to have fuel. And that fuel makes the car. Hold on, let's do it like this, right? You got to have gas. And that gas makes the car go. Right? But if you ever run out of gas, that car is going to stop. Right? It shuts down. It won't go no farther. It's got no fuel. Cool thing about the human body, right? I want you to think of it like this. Hang with me. This is going to make sense if you'll just hang in there. I promise. Right? So you got your car, human body. This is you. You got gas. Put it in a car. You're going. Now I want you to picture that gas. Instead of gas, that is your calories. Right? You're putting calories into the body, which is made up of your carbs, your proteins, all this mumbo jumbo everyone's telling you about. That is fueling your body. Cool thing is, you run out of gas. Normally, right? You would stop. Cool thing about the human body. Instead of a hard stop, you can't do anything once you've burned through your calories for the day. Right? You've only eaten 1,500 calories. You burn 1,500 calories for the day. Right? Just going through normal life. Maybe you went on a walk today. Instead of your body hard stop, dropping to the ground. Right? You can't go nowhere. Your body's like, hey, we've got some more gas that we have stored away. We have stored some gas away. That's your calories. That's your fat. That's what you got holding on your gut right now that you're furious about every time you look in the mirror. That's your extra gas, right? It's just the body. It happened, evolution, right? If we ate good today, we're going to store some of that just in case we need it tomorrow. It's not a bad thing, right? But too much of it can be bad, right? It's just how the body works. So instead of hard stop, bang, we're just going to give you some of this stored up gas we got. Then your little car can keep going, right? Car can keep going. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Your car can keep going. Oh, man. You know, next day, right? Next day. You already used your 1,500 calories, 2,000 calories, 3,000 calories. Insert any number of calories. Whatever your maintenance is, you're under that, right? You're under your maintenance. You're trying to lose body fat. How are you going to do it? What you're going to do is you're going to keep dipping into your gas reserves. Are you following me? This is super simple. I know a whole bunch of science guys are going to be like, well, what about your protein and your carbs? And get out my face, bro. Get out my face. It's just a super simple breakdown. If you understand it, then go on. Don't watch the video, dog. Boom. Next day, right? We're here again. We've already burnt our calories. We are out of gas. We would normally hard stop. Boom. We're dipping back into the reserves. The body's like, hey, we ain't got nothing left to do. We ain't got nothing left to do. Your mind's like, bro, you got to go eat. You got to go eat. And then all of a sudden the body's like, bang, actually, we got some reserves. We could dip into the reserves again. Are we sure that's what we want to do? Body's like, yeah, bro, we got to have some type of energy, right? We're looking for our energy. We're looking for our fuel. We haven't ate enough today. We haven't ate enough. Boom, boom, in the car. You're putt-putting again. Putt-putting, right? Now, next day. Again, right? Same thing, bro. You're putt-putting. Hard stop. We're out of calories. More fuel from the gas. Are you guys following, dude? It's super simple if you just look at it like that. Gas is fuel for the car. Calories are fuel for your body. Okay? If you're trying to lose weight, you need to eat less calories than you use in a day. And of course, like, you want to get it from whole foods. You don't want to be eating a whole bunch of processed junk. If you're looking to hold on to more muscle, eat more proteins. This is just a super simple guide. I know my drawings are beautiful and you're like, dude, why are you not an artist? I'd rather help you all out. You're welcome. Okay? That's it. I hope you're following here. I hope this is kind of making sense. Just use up your stored gas, bro. You've got fuel in the body. You just got to fight off a little bit of hunger pains, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Keep yourself busy. Drink some caffeine. Hey, drink some caffeine, right? This is not an ad. We are not sponsored. But Andy, my guy, if you're looking to sponsor up and comer. All right. Sorry about that, y'all. We had someone pull up to the crib. Dog got out the fence. Had to give me my dog. Anyways, we're back. So, like, if you're trying to lose fat, all you got to do is burn your reserves. Just look at it that way. You need to run your car out of gas, the car being your body, and then you need to dip into your reserve fuel, man. It can be that simple. I know everybody wants to overcomplicate everything nowadays, but it can be that simple. And so if you're trying to gain weight or you're trying to add muscle mass, same thing, except for getting your car, right? Your beautiful whip, bang. Instead of, burning all your gas that you're putting in the car, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just throw some more gas in that thing, right? We are putting so much gas in this car so we can continue to go on this trip. Now, for muscle mass, obviously, you're going to want protein, okay? I know it's going to be super simple. Just think of it this way. If you're trying to gain muscle and trying to get jacked, you need to eat as much as possible, and as much as possible, it needs to be protein, right? Because then, all of a sudden, you put that in there. Now, all of a sudden, the whip, right? The system's starting to get a little bit bigger, right? But as this gets bigger, you're going to need... These are my little gas tanks, by the way. Y'all don't hate on the gas tanks. These are quick little things to help y'all, right? You're going to need 5 gas tanks now to keep this thing moving. You got to keep it moving instead of the 3 that you needed to get it this big. But now, right? Now you're jacked. Now you got to have, just an absurd amount of gas, right? AKA protein and calories. You get what I'm saying? Like, it can be that simple. I know there's all types of science and all types of things that will push you to do a whole bunch of research and crap. But if you're overthinking it and you're kind of stuck, I just need you to eat more or eat less, right? Eat more or eat less. Eat proteins, eat whole foods, eat real food, Don't be going to McDonald's all the time. And you know what? If you go to McDonald's one night, don't throw off the whole diet just because you went one night. The good thing is the body is on a long-term frame, right? So let's say you went to McDonald's, you were supposed to only eat 1,800 calories. McDonald's push you up to 2,400 for the day. The good news is your body, it doesn't automatically make you fat because of that, right? It's storing some, don't get me wrong. It's wondering what to do with those calories. But if the next day, instead of eating your 18, you eat 1,400, now you're making up the difference. The body is not on a day-to-day reaction. The body has a long-term view. That's why it's storing the fat in the first place, because it never knows. Like, hey, what if we don't eat for a week? You know, we got to have something. So I hope that helps, man. I hope my pictures weren't too beautiful that you got distracted, okay? So anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope I make sense. I know I was going quick. If you got to, rewatch the video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Help the boy out. We're going up. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I'm out. Peace.